Hello gorgeous, my name is Lily Jasmine and welcome to day 1 of our 7 days of twerk. Today I'm going to teach you, or actually this week I'm going to teach you the separate moves of a TikTok challenge by Charlie Jordan. I'm going to post it right here. And even though I have no clue how this stays up and all my videos get reported for nudity, even though they're not nude, I think it's a fun challenge. So we are going to practice all the moves that are in there because it's quite not really complex because you can do it, but you have to get it and do the separate moves. That's what we're going to do this week. And first we are going to start with our leg warm up and then some affirmations like always. And then we are going to start with move number 1, which is the bounce walk. Let's start with our leg up because this month, this week, 7 days of twerk of August, we are going to do our leg up instead of squats or lunges or all the other exercises that we've done in the past. If you find it hard to balance, I'm not going to touch this mirror because then it's dirty. You can hold onto a chair, you can hold onto a wall, whatever. Just make sure to squeeze your booty, your glutes. When you get up, you can bend your standing leg a little bit. Make sure that you tense your core so that you're not flopping all over the place. Make sure to stand real strong and keep lifting the leg. We are going to do this 25 times. Don't put it down all the way. Keep it floating in air to make it harder. And then we're going to continue. I already feel the burn. I should have started with my weaker leg. Damn. But we are almost there. Then we're going to switch to the other leg. And after that, we're going to get going. Almost there, I think. I haven't counted properly, but we're going to do 5 more, so. You know me with the counting. If you want to do 25 exactly, you can just do it without me. But now you get to listen to me talk shit. Okay, switch legs. I have to move away from the mirror a little bit. Oh, switching legs. The first few are the hardest because then you have to get through that sore feeling of when you start at the other leg. But we are doing it. We are balancing or holding on to something. And we showed up, which is the important part. Showing up is half of the work. And probably most of the time for me, the biggest speed bump. Keep breathing and keep lifting that leg and squeezing them glutes. Keep going. We are almost there. Only 10 more. Keep going. And squeeze. Squeeze. Keep going. 5 more. Come on. Count down with me. 4, 3, 2, last one. 1. That hurt. Okay, now place one hand on your heart and one on your belly. Close your eyes with me or look in the mirror. You have the free option as always. And we're going to do some affirmations because we don't just want to warm up our body. We want to warm up our attitude and our mind as well before we start our twerking. Now close your eyes or look at yourself and repeat after me. I'm gorgeous. I can learn anything if I try. And I am going to finish off this week of 7 days of twerk. I'm gorgeous. I can do anything if I try. And I'm going to finish these 7 days of twerk. I'm gorgeous. I can do anything if I try. I'm going to finish these 7 days of twerk. Now open your eyes, smile. You did it, you made it through the hardest part of today. Now the only thing left is twerk. And you can do that. So this move is multiple moves combined. So you have the bounce up and you walk. And I feel like all of you have the walking nailed down, or I think most of you do. So we are going to focus on the hop up and bounce. Hold on to something. I'm not going to hold on to the mirror yet again because then I'm going to make it dirty, but you can hold on to a chair or a wall or whatever. And then I want you to come up to your toes a little bit. So come up on a relevé, up, 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 and up. You don't have to go all the way up like a ballerina, but just lift your heels a little bit. Now, what we are going to do, we are going to tense our lower back and throw our booty up while we come up. So try, if the feet are a little bit too much still, try to bend your legs and throw your booty up by tensing your lower back. So focus on your lower back. You can place your hands there if you want. Throw it up and up. And when you throw it up, you can come a little bit up through your legs, up and up. Okay, so now you've tried it with bended legs. What we're gonna do is we're gonna stretch our legs out and we are going to place our hands on our lower back again. And then instead of bending and stretching out our legs like we did before, we are going to bounce up to our toes and throw your booty up, up, keep going, up, up. I'm gonna show you from behind. If you feel like you've got it, you don't have to keep your hands on your lower back. Keep going. Up, 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 up. Okay, now we're gonna increase the tempo a little bit. 5, 6, 7, 8, and up, 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 up. I hope that went well. If it didn't, you can pause the video and practice a little bit. Look at yourself in the mirror, admire your gorgeous self. And now we are going to add in the walking. So you can bounce up right after you put your foot down. So you step up, step up. Step is when you release your lower back. You let it drop, your booty drops as well. That's when you put your step, so you have it up, then you step, then you up, then you step, then you up, you step. Okay, it's when you do it slow, I promise it's way harder than when you actually do it in the correct tempo. Let's try that again. We're gonna start with 4 bounces and then we're gonna do, put 2 steps to the front. Yeah. With the bounce 2. So 5, 6, 7, 8, up, 2, 3, 4, and ta, 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 ta. Sorry, we are going to bounce twice after each step, so you have a little bit more time to relax in between. So you have bounce, 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 step. And yeah, we're gonna start with 4 again. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Up, 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 ta, 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 ta. So right before you bounce the 2 times up, you put your foot down while your booty is dropped down. Let's do it again. I'm gonna face this way so you can see properly. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, I know that in the video, she only does 1 bounce. So we're gonna practice that. If this was already hard, pause the video and practice it as often as you want. Tomorrow, we're gonna move on to the next move. So make sure to nail this one today. And then tomorrow we can build on the knowledge that we have now. So we are gonna do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You bounce up like a little duckling. Oh my God, I'm wearing Tweety. This is so appropriate for this move. I love it. Okay, let's do it. 4 bounces on the spot, and then we're gonna walk 4 steps with just 1 bounce. So 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I hope that went well for you today, and I hope to see you back tomorrow for day 2 of our 7 days of twerk, where I'm going to teach you the next move, which is a body roll twerk. Hope to see you tomorrow. Bye!